say mo young guys, mo na mo show busy no mo. Adena mo ka bibi ni mo penny bi mba mo mfra mo ntem say nyina yen trans na yen din komo anase bibi obi kwa suggest say mo ne Father Dixon Cooper the four of you all inti adena anka mo me ansa mo kambo mo nkoka nche Father Dixon say wombai ba ko ni inti adena wo mfra nyina asema mo okay no kra bi ni fa nyina tenase
but chairman penny mu no wo mo a obek kanokra no onim de ekoso.
Oh really?
Minim or no, so what are you coming to sit to talk about? And I'm the guy say you
just as any night.
If you are to pinpoint something, maybe I better say be a lewena. We all saw it on video going around with ne hate or they hate when you about
that was seminar idea, huh?
If you are to ask me from a layman's point of view, that's what I might pinpoint and say abia enunti and I'm more ya ba ya ma bibia to try. I don't know what it is. I don't know.
Until okoba say okotumi kokan bibi ti say oba kra na no ho kra o kra kokan say open no fem ma o na wonso woni ne nya bibi no ni nyina nya de no kra.
I'm not that cheap. I'm not that cheap.
But if not ask when you say bia
how
or introduce your baby man
how
because me no na one can I mean me no I pick your honest that but who koka baby once and say me who si we na me ni gine ho ana say
my taste in women might even be different from yours.
So no open ma
yeah
we are kesifo
and I'm a sapiosexual person bro for but me I go with brains, you understand, I go with intelligence. You be a opetwa, I know your idea. Tis a old and to one obey maybe I'll go with brains and click it. We don't yambush ya will be.
You go with brains. No, be go with what?
And click it.
At all.
Yambush ya baby.
Wow. Do you think Funny Face hate you or dislike you? Why do you think so?
I wouldn't know. That would be a question for him. But
that would be a question for him. But how he's going about things, do you think he dislikes you or he doesn't like you?
Chairman, if I'll need to speak about this, I'll need time to throw more light on
certain things.
If I'm permitted.
Yes, you can. Okay, so what brought about this Funny Face thing? Because people doesn't know the story. They only heard, hey, menena chawangeda, menena we safe, you know, that kind of thing. Because everybody's ex is somebody's current. You get what I mean? So those things they happen. But I didn't buy. I only Funny Face. I didn't buy.
But I'm far from that. I'm not going to mention names.
Okay.
I'm not going to mention what this, what that. Because as it stands now, I don't know what this, what that.
Okay. It took you by surprise.
Yes, I mean, okay. I didn't know you're going to ask me though, but then, because whenever this thing started, I don't know how it started, whatever it is, I've not answered to anything.
But do for your brother.
It's delicate because there's a saying, silence is golden.
But how many carats of gold do you have?
I have a lot.
Because you've been silent for long. When you sleep, you are silent.
Because it's for a reason.
Okay.
You know, the reason they keep this tag, silence is golden. It's often wise to say nothing. That should be the meaning of it. You wouldn't have to hear, although there are two sides to a story. There's a beginning and the end. There's a first and the last. Whatever it is, it's often wise to stay silent. But man, I'll throw more light on, because I think whatever happens in life, you're supposed as a human being to learn things from it.
Out of it, okay.
Yes, I didn't take this for myself. I mean, I'm making a take for general. I mean, obian tie bibi. Nyansa phone woman in tia sem kakra.
Okay.
And for bibi in free. See, I say, if a mad person, obadani, which mostly they are naked. But them need better more idea. No the jifu. Now so tuchi and chia.
Say be a wood jarry, no be chon toma.
Yes.
No the corner wood dinachia.
Now so dinachia. That's a good example. Omo mwech then ye who know the wabo damon.
Okay.
Ujitumza.
Yeah, because me na we naked. Because wood jarry naked. Now on toma hata pununim. And obodam for abetwa no why naked. Usu demirkage you know. It's mummy no. Okay.
That's far from it. Watch a man. Yeah, Susanna most of the times, school boys. uni obi wa asɛm a timi kyerɛ sɛ hey me ne gizo wa asɛm hwɛ na ne gizo ankasa
okay
na so aka so me ne gizo ankasa
okay
what you say ye susana sa na e ma ne koso you understand but no fancy e so anti e jimi kakra let me state it here. Your friend's enemy is not your enemy.
Okay.
I watched a video from one lady. I think she's how do you call it? A presenter or something on radio.
Yeah. She did it in a car.
In a car. I've forgotten the name. Bibi go Abuaje.
Yeah. Because you go Abuaje.
Yes.
I think despite. Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, saying so I down for I down for nana time for no I down for say. I mean, let me state it here. You shouldn't make false enemies for yourself. Your friend's enemy is not your enemy. That's how come a lot of us eto de bia yenyan downfo yenya atamfo no fa baby bia yenya aware of.
Okay.
You understand? Now we create enemies for ourselves. Point of correction there. Your friend enemy is never your enemy.
It's not your enemy
at all.
Because you don't know what brought about
exactly
the issue that they became enemies.
My relationship with you is different from my relationship with your friend.
Yeah.
So I can't make your enemy my enemy. That's one thing people should learn about it. Watch my make no. When someone has offended you as a matured person, it's often wise to go straight to the person. But I don't think that me know what some make us say, hey, when me know what a man from man can be I don't even know what it is. Then you go and then rant about it. That's very wrong. That's immature. If I have a problem with me, talk to me as a brother. Call me, text me, anyhow you want to reach out to me.
Okay.
Talk to me about it. What I say? People will not know how to apologize for certain things they do. In other words, you can't make the right decision or apologize for something if you don't know what you've done.
Okay.
You get me?
Yeah.
There's no way you can apologize for. My boy was okay, my boy was I'm sorry. Say my boy was. You apologize for the right things you've done. You understand? But then you can't just go ahead
and apologize for what you've not done.
What you've not done.
So in that sense, I mean, what are you trying to imply?
What I'm trying to imply is what you even don't know, which I also don't know. Watch my man can't no. I wouldn't want to even go in and throw light. I'm just throwing light upon certain things that people get to know or people have to know to as a person to evolve in life. You don't do let me just make it clear here and say that most of the times my botch my only
minimum.
I can't
take it easy, Kwaku. Take it easy.
No,
I know this
I'm
issue.
Cool with it.
Yeah,
yes, I'm cool
I just want you to relax.
Yes,
Don't take it too
I'm cool
personally.
with it.
Yeah.
You can't all of a sudden create a verse or a lie about something and expect everything to go right with the person. You understand? I'm not that low of a person to come and as he said, I'm stating what he said, to beg you to have something to do with your girlfriend.
Wow. So that one is not true, never. Because say Obama no say, oh, me too. I want to die some.
My girlfriend crash him. Or say I nanka grouse we cheap papa. Like how is that? And the media is such that I'm speaking out of what has happened so far.
Okay.
You understand? I did a bit of journalism in film school.
Yeah.
Did documentary. You know how it goes. The questionnaires you ask and then get the answers from both sides and get to know. Other TV stations, which I wouldn't mention them, I'm saying it here, called, okay, say any artist on here. What is your take on it before we make news about it? Like, I'm not ready to talk about this thing. They're like, okay, the moment you're ready, let us know.
Yeah, we can talk about it.
This is what I'll call pure journalism. They did that, and they never made the news out of it. Others wouldn't even ask. But then they'll go and say they want a trend of it, and then they just put up news with it, forgetting it will hurt other people who love that person. My other families, they were very hurt about this thing.
Your families?
Yes. Cause I didn't born ya. And realize
what brands what brand do brand?
A person like me no be a one time. Yes. If I'm to meet up with you, it should have to be about work. But man, I'm close with you. How many times have you even seen me to come visit you at home before?
No, it was only my birthday. Yeah, we are very close. Just 5 minutes from each other.
I don't have anybody coming to me. I always want to be by myself. So I've got to realize I have what we call peace. I have peace. I don't because I have a lot of that peace. And I got to realize something. Watch my lesson.
Me too, pal.
I got to realize what people hate in you. It's exactly what is missing in them. It is very deep. What people will hate in you, it's exactly what is missing in them. So when someone doesn't possess what you have, they tend to hate on you or whatever it is. Maybe the peacefulness of what I have, it might intimidate you. Watch, I'm throwing more light for people to get to understand the kind of world we are in. Then in Anameka say it's a black thing. Be before be before time way, be before PC.
So what you're saying, is it hatred? Do you think say your time the way are comfortable to live your life now? Yeah, and I say which more funny face ni obi in your fine and winning pan your fine into company in okay. We
won't throw light upon anybody, but then I'm speaking in general.
Okay.
I'm speaking in general.
Okay.
That's what I said.
How is the relationship with you and Lil Wayne?
Cool with everybody.
But
same
you and Lil Wayne,
I have with you, it's reciprocal to everybody. The same I have with everybody. Me be some and sing obi.
Okay.
I don't know how to put it. Me do be in sing obi. Me time be in sing obi. I have a cordial relationship with everybody.
Okay.
That's why tonight I don't have a close friend, because my closest friends have to be my family. You know, if I have to meet up with you, it have to do with something that we are doing. I don't have a
when we're done.
Yes. I don't pick up a call to call someone. Nah, I'm not that kind of person. You know, most of the close ones they are their own PC, but like I don't know what to call you and talk about. If it's work that we're doing, if it's money business we're doing.
Yeah, me and you will be too cool, but
you understand. I don't do that. What I say? So this whole thing, I am in kakra because
I talk so.
That's one thing. And I told me so now feel later na me sere wo ho because then say we be trying to be so then you think that's it.
But when you are na cool and so we na ba na say it got to a time na mo fine.
So now me nimpo sent to kwa bimpo abente.
Oh, really?
I don't know.
So what really sparked that? Why na we say we didn't cover mu Bismarck di ba mu Lil Wayne di ba.
That's what I've always want to fish out answers for. I don't know.
And you've not made a move to call your brother to ask, Konya, am I out there? Wait, free.
I'm not far from that thing. Some phone after one now. No, I'm not far from that thing. My far phone, then I got to realize
what free?
I've been blocked or
you've tried to call and Nina, you block your number.
Say if two people, one fails to act maturely, I'll do that for you. So the maturity in me had to call and find out, which you wouldn't do, and brought up all this.
Oh, so you've made a move?
Of course.
But your numbers are blocked. Wow.
And with every name that came up, I called everybody too. First time I be crying, to get to know what is going on.
It took you by surprise. Oh, I didn't start in our way.
It was a night. It was a day after my birthday, you know.
Okay.
Yes. I'm crying, mother. Mother cry and my mama came to wake me up.
Your woman?
Yes.
Okay. Your girlfriend? Because yes. I know you are not married. When no girlfriend?
You trim me.
Oh, is this I'm doing anymore?
The dada.
Why are you knocking?
So
why are you knocking?
My opening.
Hey, what you walk are knocking?
Opening.
The same girl now.
Oh, the dada.
Back when I'm in the dada there now. Okay.
So the crowd or the better said, "This is what's going on." And the Onipa Anka, I said, "Wait, that bar." I face a corner behano. She was rather comforting me and said, "I shouldn't worry about these things."
Your girlfriend?
Yes.
I'm not catching us. Man, worry.
So I took the phone from her, watched, saw everything that was going on. What I'm saying, "Mintu Mukranda, let's pray and just sleep."
I'm a bomb pie and I'm a die. Mine, Yashi. Sad and mine, Yashi. What dark? Okay.
I'm sorry, and then I started replaying everything that I saw, and I was like, what's really going on? To me, I'm shimprek open. I'm saying, if not say onumpo no the better the whole world, she would have been the only person and kebe hame. So what TBB say, and I had to explain
to her.
Yes. No onumpo aba better I shouldn't. Me to mo die. So
no, I can feel from the way you are talking. Me who say eya obi omo eya we ya.
Eya only say oze ye cattle so ya pa. Say asemu new sa na cattle, and this is how our social media has cropped out to be now. A lot of ignorant people who don't even want to know what A is about and what B is about. The fact that they've heard it, that's what they take, and they'll keep it in their mind for. Such people, they are not my type. I mean, I don't live my life to come and explain to you what someone said about me, if it's true or not. Dabi. If my close ones, so the close family members, or close, let me say, friends who knows me, omofa phone friend me, what they say is, kweku ben ha on kran kasa, ben ye say, what they just to muda. These are people who wouldn't call and say, unya, the unya kind and I am power yeah. You are not my target. You understand? So I don't have it was just 2 days been an
now what dream if you so quiet
afterwards.
When the Bismarck relationship to say
we are cool.
No obia ni obia cool. Yam fan say when Gizo e cool. When Andy Dusty cool. When Marco Keku cool. But me no me anu cool no. Unze cool.
Me to the oche na say.
But then me busa say when obia cool asen when baby
especially with the industry men come as a montrobi. You understand? Somehow if it has to do with you, I speak to you directly.
But when the Bismarck cool.
Yeah, cool.
And could it be say ebia komote on Bismarck enye cool and intina akobana sana na say then akofa sa then
I don't even know. Cause me di kan kan obi asam nyama asem. Ti uni obi eku a ana uni obi nyeku a. I don't even want to know. Although you might want to say it, you might want to voice out or we want to know because nyama asem. Me phobia asem nyama asem.